How to change Facebook page name. First of all, let's navigate and open the Facebook app on your device and log into your account. Once you are in, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner to open the menu. Here, tap on the arrow icon to switch to the Facebook page where you want to change the name. Once the page is open, again tap on the profile icon at the top right, and from this menu, tap on the gear icon to open the settings and privacy. Now scroll down to the audience and visibility section and tap on page setup. Next, select the first option, which is name. On this page, you can edit or change your current page name, and once you are done, tap on review. Here you can see a notification stating that you can change your name again for 60 days and your followers will be notified about this change. Finally, tap on submit for approval, and within 24 hours your page name will be changed. And that's it. This is how you can change your Facebook page name. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.